Okay, the cross-examination of BBB started today and went on smoothly, but the defense got to a point where they needed documents to confront the witness, and those documents have been applied for. The CTC have been applied for, but not obtained yet. So based on that, an adjournment was granted to the 21st and 22nd of May, and we pray and hope that we'll get the documents so that we will continue with our cross-examination. So that's essentially what happened.
This is all you need to know about NNAMDI KANU's continued trial in Federal High Court. On May 14th, 2025, the Federal High Court in Abuja continued the trial of NNAMDI KANU, the leader of Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB), with significant developments. So these are the key developmental factors on what happened on 14th, 2025 during the court proceedings. 1. Prosecution presents Ahmed Gulag's death certificate. A prosecution witness identified as BBB tendered a certified true copy of the death certificate of Ahmed Gulag, a former advisor to ex-President Goodluck Jonathan. Gulag was allegedly killed by IPOB members in 2012 for defying a sit-at-home order, the witness says. The court admitted both the death certificate and medical report as an evidence to be proved. The prosecution aims to connect IPOB sit-at-home directive to Gulag's murder, suggesting that Kanu's public statement may have incited such acts. Of course, they talked about the NNAMDI Kanu's counsels being, denied access to NNAMDI Kanu. Of course, the reports actually flied out, during the week, where a lot of news outlets reported that NNAMDI Kanu's lawyers were denied access by the DSS operative, and NNAMDI Kanu's lead defense lawyer Agabi actually refuted the claim that the Department of State Service did not deny him and his team access to Kanu, stating that they were granted access as usual. Then, heading up to the cross-examination, the witness BBB has been called into the dock. Witness BBB stated and tendered a medical report indicating the cause of death of Ahmed Gulag. Transcription of cross-examination proceedings. Witness BBB. Agabi, that is the lawyer to NNAMDI Kanu. He asked, "You obtained a video statement from the defendant?" The witness answered, "Yes, my lord." Agabi asked again, "In that statement, only the defendant and his lawyers were visible?" The witness answered, "Yes." Agabi asked again, "The video was not complete. Are we able to see those who conducted the interview? Were you wearing mask?" The witness answered, I cannot remember, my lord." Agabi, "For now, how long was the defendant in detention before you made the video?" The witness answered, "I do not know. I'm not aware of his long detention, my lord. Defendant has been kept alone in the cell by all himself." Agabi asks, "But you must understand that solidarity confinement is punishment. If that's what you mean, it's a punishment. Did you keep him in a solidarity confinement because he is a danger to himself or the society?" The witness answered, "I'm not aware he was in solidarity confinement." Agabi, "You subjected NNAMDI Kanu to solidarity confinement?" Witness answered, "I'm not aware or how long the defendant has been in detention." Agabi again, "Do you know the minimum days to keep someone in solidarity confinement?" The witness answered, "From United Nations law, you can't keep someone for more than 15 days. Agabi again, "The long detention of this gentleman has caused him unhappiness." Witness answered, "I'm not aware." Agabi, "Are you aware this gentleman has been in detention for 4 years? After the interview, the defendant has become more unhappy and frustrated." The witness answered, "I'm not aware." Agabi again, "This prolonged detention is not through a court order. Are you aware?" The witness answered, "I don't know, my lord." Agabi again, "Defendant was arrested in 2015. Witness, "I'm not aware. My Lord, I was not part of the investigation, my Lord. Agabi again threw a question. Do you know some of the charge were dropped? The witness, I do not know. I don't know about the previous charge, my Lord. Agabi again, following the amendments, several charges have been dropped. Witness, I do not know, my Lord. Agabi, all the charges, only 3 was attributed to the defendant. The witness answered, I don't know. Agabi again, do you know that the charge were amended 6 days after his arrest? The witness answered, I'm not aware, my Lord. Agabi again, in fact, at the time, the charge had been pending in the court for 6 years. The witness answered, I'm not aware, my Lord. Agabi again now throw another question. Agabi again, is from this letter you become aware of this case? The witness answered, I'm not aware, my Lord. Agabi again, before you received the directive from your office, were you aware of this matter? Witness, I don't know, my Lord. Agabi again, in the letter, the Attorney General of Federation then complained about the complaints he had received. What was the response of your office? The witness, I don't know, my Lord. Agabi again, the only investigation you conducted was the video interview. Witness, it was not so, my Lord. Then Agabi again, I put it to you, you did not conduct any other interview. The witness, I did, but the docs are in my office. Everyone in the court just laughed out. Agabi again, after you received the AGF's directives, the charge were again amended. The witness, I'm just an investigator. I am not aware of the content of the charge, my Lord. Agabi again, in that directives, the AGF already had given you his conclusion. Did you issue report after that investigation? The witness answered, yes, I did. Agabi again, I put it to you that the charge remained the same after the directive of the Attorney General of Federation. The witness, I do not know, my Lord. Agabi, now I put it to you that you were influenced by the AGF letter. Witness, no, my Lord. Agabi again, Southwest governors came together and agreed to form a vigilante group. The witness, I am aware the governors did so. Agabi, did you get a letter from AGF complaint about the killings of innocent people? The witness, I am aware the Southwest governors formed Amotekun. So after taking note of the brief narration by Barrister Aloy Jumako, NNAMDI KANU Special Counsel in the court, the case was adjourned to next week, Wednesday 21st and Thursday 22nd of May 2025.